Isis, what's wrong? Oh, she tried to get out and went the wrong way. Now she's stuck. Oh, hi, bad cat. Oh, so cute. Look at those big feet. Oh, she's stuck.
Poor thing.
Oh, Isis. Oh.
Put this inside when you go back. Did you save the box with the shoes in it? You did.
Oh, it's stuck around her. Oh, Isis. There, now she's out.